Before we start, please visit our homepage in the description and copy the questions. Paste them somewhere, like Word, Notepad, so you can read them first. Previewing questions is one of the IELTS exam strategies, as well as in other English exams. You will hear a conversation between a woman and a hotel receptionist about booking a room. First, you will have some time to look at the questions. Now listen carefully and answer the questions.
Good morning. Welcome to the Riverside Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I'd like to book a double room for my husband and me for next weekend, please.
Of course. Let me check our availability. Can you tell me the exact dates you'll need the room?
Yes, we'll be arriving on Friday the 16th of September and leaving on Sunday the 18th.
All right. We do have a double room available for those dates. Would you prefer a standard or a deluxe room?
What's the difference?
The deluxe room offers a larger space, a view of the river, and complimentary breakfast.
Oh, that sounds nice. How much is the deluxe room per night?
It's $150 per night.
That sounds reasonable. We'll take the deluxe room then.
Excellent choice. May I take your name for the booking?
It's Turner, Turner.
Thank you, Mrs. Turner. And could I have a contact number for the booking?
Yes, it's 0789-265-4321.
Perfect. Would you like to pay now or upon arrival?
I'll pay when we arrive, please.
No problem. We'll need a credit card to hold the booking, though. Could you provide your card details?
Certainly. It's a Visa card, number 456712-345-6789-876. Expiry date 11/25.
Great, that's all set. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, actually. Could you arrange for a late checkout on Sunday? We'd like to leave around 2 p.m. instead of the usual 11 a.m.
Let me check. Yes, that's available for an additional charge of $30.
That's fine. Please add it to the booking.
Consider it done. Your total for the stay will be $330, which includes the late checkout. Is that all for today?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. We look forward to seeing you next weekend.